How to sell stock on plus 500. Follow the instructions. Log into your plus 500 account using the website or app. Go to the main screen where your portfolio or open trades are shown. Find the stock you currently own and want to sell. Click on that stock to open the trade details. Look for an option that says Close or Close Position. Click on Close Position to start the selling process. If you want to sell the entire position, leave the amount as it is. If you want to sell part of it, adjust the amount accordingly. Review the details of the trade including the closing price. Make sure the market is open for that stock. Click Confirm or Submit to complete the sale. Wait a few moments and check your balance to see the result of the sale. Thank you for watching.